What's good everybody? I am back with another video. Okay, so marami kasi nami-message sa akin, bakit daw hindi ako nag-react sa Queendom? Ito yung problema ko kasi sa Queendom, nalilito ako saan nila i-upload, kung saang channel nila i-upload. Kasi ang may 3 or 2 channel na pinag-a-uploadan yung Queendom, no? GMA Singers, tapos meron pa yung GMA Network ba yun? Mayroon pa isa. Tapos yung iba naman, hindi ko sure kung bago o hindi. Kasi nga, di ba, basta, I am quite confused minsan talaga. Kaya hindi ako, nag-aantay na lang ako kung may mag-send sa akin ng link. And today, kahapon, may nag-send sa akin ng link. So, Ariel Peña, okay, sa Instagram. Every like may bago or something like sa Queendom or kay Julian San Jose or sa kung kanino man sa mga GMA Singers no, sa Queendom, lalo na sa Queendom, lagi siya nagsisend sa akin ng link. So, shoutout sa iyo. And meron pa yung isa, nakalimutan ko. Basta, siya ngayon yung pinaka-consistent na nag-send sa akin. Si Ariel Peña. Okay, so shoutout sa iyo. If I remember that correctly. So, this is going to be Thea Astley. I don't know if this is like her birthday production with the Queendom, no? Kasi most of the time, pagka may highlight na isa, 'di ba? Birthday niya or there's something special going on. So, this is last Sunday, pinakabago. And then please send me the link of last Sunday's Queendom performance kasi di ko mahanap or di ko makita. Okay? So, yeah, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video and tingnan natin itong kay Thea Astley. So, ano to? Thea Astley shows off her Michael Jackson side with the divas of the Queendom All Out Sundays. Okay, so if bago kayo dito, please make sure to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay? Galing din palang sumayon nitong ni Ashley, no? Ni Thea. Alam niyo si Thea, recently she's really a revelation, no? She is her own artist, no? From the unique vibrato that she has or she always has been like that, no? Sa kanyang singing na yung vibrato niya talaga is strong and yung look niya, yung physical attributes niya, I think she's really a revelation. And now she's dancing. I think very asset talaga to si Thea ng GMA, no? Going forward sa kanyang career. Funny thing is, kahapon, nag-gym ako, tapos may Michael Jackson na Beat It, no? So, trinay ko, parang para akong ewan.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, oh mambo, what do you mean? I am the one who'll dance on the floor and around.
Ayun, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ayun yung vibrato. Around, galing.
She said, I am the one
Hey.
who'll dance on the floor and around.
Ganun.
She told me her name was Stella Jean, and she got to see
Ooh.
every
Akala ko si Thea lang. Nagulat ako. Biglang si Julian, okay?
to with eyes and street, being the one who dance on the floor and around.
I love the character. Gusto ko yung projection ng mukha nila, no? Na parang gigil. I love that.
People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts.
Mahilig talaga si Thea maglaro ng vowels, no? You don't know me, that's what you do. Wow, wow. Yun yung niya, style niya talaga eh.
My mother always told me, be careful who you love. Be careful what you do, 'cause the Bible calls the truth. Billie Jean is not my love. She's just a girl.
Alam naman natin, Julian is that talented. Kaya nga, binansagan siyang the limitless star, no? Ano kayang bansag natin kay Thea, no? I know meron pero nakalimutan ko lang, no? Nakalimutan ko. Pero I think there is a moniker already para kay Thea.
The one, but the kid is not my son.
Haha. Oy, di yan madaling stepping yung ganyan. Trinagain kahapon para akong ewan.
She says I am the one, but the kid is not my son.
Oh, remix. Dance break Sino ba yan? Siyempre si Sean Lucas. Saan ba to galing? Di ko itong kilala. Oh. Sino ba to si Michael Sager? Ano ba? Di ko kilala to Okay, I have to be honest. Ang daming artista ngayon sa GMA na hindi ko kilala. No? Kasi yung parang biglang sulpot na hindi ko alam kung saan sila galing. Ayan na. Oh, Hana. Let's go. Oh. Bagay to kay Hana. Bagay. Yung vibe, alam kong bagay to kay Hana. Ay, may naalala ko. Ano nga yung production nila na very sassy silang lahat? Na lahat sila parang very sassy and yung parang, yung character nila doon. I love that production. Yun yung naalala ko dito sa vibe na segment na to. Ganito mga production yung gusto ko. Yung talagang ini-incorporate nila yung dancing, no? Tapos dini-develop talaga nila. And I am looking forward na talagang they would have this kind of more often yung sing and dance. Curious ako, sino bang backup dancer ng GMA ngayon? Kasi the last, yung time na andun ako sa Manila, I think it was Adlib, no? I think it was Adlib dancer. Hindi ko alam kung Adlib pa rin ba. Ako lang ba kanina ko pa iniisip. Okay, eto may kind of like siguro sa facial features ni Thea. She looks like a little bit of Michael Jackson. I don't know kung saan pa, siguro sa buhok niya or sa mata niya. I don't know, man. Pero yun yung napansin ko kanina pa eh. Ang linis talaga nilang kumanta, Queendom. No, walang tapon dito sa Queendom talaga. Malilinis talaga silang kumanta.
Promise, baby, love you forevermore. Swear I'll keep you satisfied. You're the one for me. The way you make me feel, the way you make me feel. You really turn me on. You really turn me on. Knock me off of my feet. Knock me off of my feet. Lonely days are gone.
Alam niyo ba gaano kahirap mag-sing and dance? Na tinitingnan kanina pa natin sila tinitingnan, pinapanood natin silang mag-perform. Pero man, the level of difficulty, kahit hindi ganun ka like super hataw-hataw na like sa let's say Beyonce or Shakira na mga choreography yung ginagawa ng sing and dance. Man, but this movements are very difficult, no? Tapos kasi iisip ka pa sa lyrics, iisip ka pa sa choreography, and this is nothing easy talaga. Kaya bilib ako sa mga sing and dance na mga artist. Who's next? Ooh. Iconic yung mga no? Oh! Si ano pala to? Si Aubrey. Sino ba? Kalimutan. Rita Daniel. Oh, si Aubrey. Aubrey! Sabi mo, Aubrey! Oh, Jessica. Okay, tatlo sila. San si Marian? Medyo mahina yung ni Rita, no? Microphone. Or just because of the low notes? Ay, si Rita parang tumitingin siya anong next step. And that's okay, man. Smooth criminal.
Let's go!
Saan ba si Marian? Kulang isa. Kulang si Marian. Wala si Marian.
To the highway, it was Sunday, what a black day. Fighting was hesitation, sudden heartbeats, intimidation. She ran to the table, you could see she was a lady. So she brought into the back door, he was strapped down into her feet. I hear you okay, I hear you okay, are you okay? I hear you okay, so I hear you okay, are you okay? I hear you okay, I hear you okay, are you okay? I hear you okay, so I hear you okay.
Grabe si Thea, no? From lahat ng choreography talagang kinabisado niya. So extra yung practice time niya. Extra long. Smooth criminal. Haha, nice. something refreshing, something new, something na we don't see often sa Queendom. And I hope they could push through with this concept, yung sing and dance, because I would love to see them, hataw-hataw moments. We already know na talagang magagaling silang kumanta, no? Julian, Thea, Hannah, Marian, Jessica, Rita, alam natin silang anim talagang magagaling kumanta. But I would love them to really explore more on the dancing, no? Kasi that would make them like not just only divas but a total performer. And comment nyo sa baba kung saan si Marian, no? Kasi isa din si Marian sa mga favorite natin sa Queendom. Lahat naman sila favorite natin, but Marian is talagang hinahanap na siya. Okay, hinahanap na siya. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. And please, i-comment nyo din yung link from the last Sunday performance. Okay? So, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out, everybody. And hope you guys enjoy that one. God bless. Bye.